Hi, welcome back to this channel. I'd like to tell you that being born and raised in Malaysia, I have been eating a lot of authentic tasty food mixed by the Malay. Today I'd like to show you how to make Malay's spicy soup packed full with nutritious spices. This Malay spicy soup usually uses chicken or bones as the main ingredients. I have created a healthy low-fat version by using dried shiitake mushrooms to replace the meat. The National Library of Medicals in America has published a review giving substantial evidence which suggests that spices such as cinnamon, ginger, cloves, cardamoms, cumin are known for their antimicrobial, antioxidant, anti-inflammatory and several other useful properties. Therefore, this hearty, aromatic and spicy vegan homemade soup are truly essential for immunity boosting. Well, let's get started with step number 1, rehydrating the dried shiitake mushrooms. To make this soup, first rehydrate the dried mushrooms for about 10 minutes in approximately 500 ml or 2 cups of boiling water. In step number 2, making the spice paste. To prepare the spice paste, first peel and roughly chop the garlic, shallot and ginger. Next, add these chopped ingredients into the blender, followed by the ground coriander, ground cumin, ground fennel seeds, freshly ground black pepper, 4 macadamia nuts and 60 ml or quarter cup of water to initiate the blending. Blend until you achieve a nice smooth paste. Add more water to help with the blending if needed. This is the consistency you need to achieve for the spice paste. In step number 3, preparing the vegetables. To prepare your vegetables, peel and thinly slice the onion. Next, slice the celery on the bias. To have carrot slices that look like a flower, cut a triangular indentation along the length of the carrot as shown here. Then slice the carrot into 2 cm thick slices. For the potatoes, cut them into 1-inch cubes, then halve the cherry tomatoes. Lastly, chop the fresh coriander and spring onions into small pieces. Now in step number 4, cooking the spicy soup. Heat a large, heavy bottom pot over medium heat and add the oil. Throw in the cinnamon stick, star anise, cardamoms and cloves. Fry until they release their fragrance, then add the blended spice paste. Stir gently and continuously to prevent the spice paste from sticking to the bottom of the pot. Stir fry the paste until it releases the spice aroma. When the spice paste becomes slightly browned, mix in the sliced onions. Then add the soaked shiitake mushrooms. Next, add the vegetable stock and the reserved shiitake mushroom soaking water. Stir to mix everything with the liquid, then bring to a boil. When the soup has started to boil, add the chopped potatoes, celery, sliced carrots and corn. Then stir to mix everything evenly. Lower the heat to a simmer, cover the pot and cook for 20 minutes or until all vegetables are tender. After 20 minutes, uncover the pot and stir in the chopped coriander and cherry tomatoes. Cook for another minute, taste the soup and add freshly ground black pepper and salt to season. Lather the soup into a bowl, then garnish with finely chopped spring onions and served hot. Enjoy making and eating this hearty and warming soup. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and let me know how you get on with this recipe in the comments below. Bye for now and see you in the next video.